Do you want to generate subtotals effortlessly with just a few clicks without having to use any complicated formulas? If so, then you will want to watch this video till the end. So let's get started our video. We have an example table inside the Excel and we want the subtotal with respect to region. So here's the region column. Before applying the subtotal function on the column, we have to sort the column either in ascending or descending order. So let's sort this region. Just click any of the cells inside this column, and in Home tab, you have to click here on Sort and Filter and sort it from Z to A or A to Z. So I will click here on Z to A. Now here it has been sorted. Now we'll go in Data tab and click on Subtotal. Now in Subtotal, we have selected region inside at each change in, and in Use function, we have selected Sum. Here are different functions. You can select any of them. Now we will just click OK. So you can see the total with respect to regions. After using this function, 3 groups have been created. Right now we are in third group and we can see all the data. When you will click on second group, then all the data will be hidden and you will see only the totals. For example, west total, south, north and east total. When you will go in the first group, then you can only see the grand total. Now let's try this with customer name column. So select any of the cells inside this column and sort it from A to Z or Z to A. So I am sorting it from A to Z. Now in Data tab, just click on Subtotals. Now instead of region, we will select here customer name. We will use Sum function again. Now just click OK. So now you can see the subtotal with respect to customer names. So this was all about the subtotal function inside the Excel to increase your efficiency. I hope the explanation was easy to understand. That's all for this video.